Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to create an SEO-optimized blog post with Jasper AI. With the help of Jasper, you can fully optimize your blog post easy. As you can see, I created this blog post with the help of Jasper, and it's about Beginner's Guide to Meditation. If I scroll down, you can see each and single thing is ready. Now, in order to optimize it, we will use an application which is in Jasper. I just remember your website URL and the topic. Then click on this home icon, and here you can see the option of Start with an app. Now here you will see different apps. We will use the search bar, click on the search bar, and simply write SEO once. You will write, all these are useful for optimizing your blog. Here you can see keywords optimize your websites, SEO with the curated list of high-performance keywords. So I will use this application and I will recommend you to use it. What you have to do, take a look on the left side, you will see the icon of apps. If you have a brand voice, then click on it and select your brand voice. This one is the audience and the keywords language. Click on it and choose your language. But my language is already chosen, so I will not do it. A few more things you can do is you can upload your files, you can add your text, and URL plus, you can add your knowledge. But I will not do it. But if you have everything, then I will recommend you to do it. If I scroll down here, you can see the URL of website, click on it and enter URL of your blog post or of your website. Just like my blog post was for About Meditation, and I have the same name website, so I will write after it, I will hit next. Now, URL is saved. Here are the keywords if you don't know. Then click on the option Generate a Response. Then Jasper will write keywords. Scroll down more, and here you can add some more context to your blog post. And you can add primary topics, related terms, or customer information. I will write related items. And here you can see what are some related terms or concepts associated with your primary topic. Below, you can see some suggestions. Just click on any of these and click Next. You can add as much as you want, create an image. Click on the option Plus, and you can add your prompt, and Jasper will create the same image. But if you don't have, then simply hit Next. Now click on the option Generate Now. And here you can see the Jasper is now start generating my blog post optimization. If I scroll up, making something great. I scroll down, here are the primary keywords, short tail keywords. Once your optimization is ready, copy and paste it and optimize your blog post, and that's it.